They're excited about it. And then our football. You want to talk about our football? What you think about our football?
We're going to hold on that. I love it, but okay. Let's hold that for a teaser for our next broadcast because people are going to be wowed. And I got to tell you, the passion that it takes for somebody to put this kind of time and effort into a gift for us and our show and what we're doing, it really touches you deeply. It really does. And a lovely young woman that you've had a long time history with. You know, it's almost a family member for you.
Yeah, we were co-workers, and she definitely has a great talent, and so I was really impressed, and I was really excited that she wanted to gift us with this football.
Yeah, and we're gonna get her in studio because I want her to talk about her talents and the way, artists see the world differently.
Yeah,
they really do.
Yeah,
they see the world differently.
So I decided to rhinestone a football to celebrate a friend's brand new YouTube show, The Orlando Storm Report. It's a sports broadcast highlighting the UFL team, the Orlando Storm, and I figured their studio needed a little sparkle energy. Make sure you stay until the end because I'm showing their reaction when they receive the football. I'll link the full video in the description. I started by tracing their logo and cutting it out using stencil vinyl. I used a football I ordered from the UFL website. Once the stencil was placed, I added masking tape around it and base painted using Dixie Belle bonding box since the football was white. When you're working with stencils, always paint the background color first. That helps prevent bleeding. After that dried, I went in with Angelus leather paint and painted the logo orange and purple. At one point I did mess up, but it was an easy fix. I applied 3 to 4 coats to get full coverage. Once I removed the stencil, I noticed a few bleed spots, so I used acetone and a lipstick applicator to clean it up. For rhinestoning, I used liquid fusion as my adhesive and orange opalite for orange sections. I could have used single stones through the letters, but I wanted to add some depth to the design. Next, I used neon violet luster for the purple sections. Anytime a color comes in SS3, I grab it because you never know when you'll need that detail work, like this logo. I used black rhinestones for the stitches, then Mocha White for the top half of the football. I always outline a section first like a foundation row and let it set before filling it in. I started around the letters because I wanted to see how everything would flow together. I also made sure not to push the white stones into the letters so the lines stay crisp. I finished the logo area last on the white section. I originally thought that section was black, but it turned out to be navy, so I had to order Montana blue and wait for those to arrive. For the brown section, I added my logo tag and used a mix of neon brown and amber to complete the football. And here is the finished result. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you recreate something similar, be sure to tag me at TianaChanellCreates, and don't forget to use code Tiana10 to save at Diamond Fire Rhinestones. Now here is the reaction.
This is a gift to us from a friend of yours that just absolutely loves our endeavor, loves what we're doing here. And this is a real passion piece, man. This is absolutely gorgeous. I was updated with photographs, but man, nowhere near do they capture the beauty. It's a gemmed beauty. I mean, it's just incredible. Tell us the story about this and where this came from. It's just absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, I definitely want to thank Miss Tiana Cully. She was the one that orchestrated this entire thing, and she wanted to do us a solid. She believed in what we do, and she loves sports, and so she said, "I wanted to gift you all with this football." And of course, I'm not going to turn that down because I saw her work previously of some of the things that she's done. And so when I saw this football when it came in, I just stared at this thing for at least 20 minutes because I was like, "Wow, this is some great work."
It really is. And you talk about that, the mesmerizing. I did the same thing when you first brought it in today to see, and